from Shadow High. We have Heather Grayson, Shanelle Onyx, and Luna Madison, and Nicole Seal. If you want to see us unbox these, come join us and playtime fun with us. Come on! This is Shanelle Onyx, my favorite character from Shadow High. She has a diamond gem in her middle of the bow. She has beautiful earrings, and she also has this spell that says SA, which stands for Shadow High. Her dress is very beautiful. She also has a bracelet and also some beautiful shoes with net socks. And her shoes also have bows and little bits of fur. And she also has a white stripe and black hair, which makes her very unique. And her earrings are so gorgeous, and her face is actually kind of glittery. Oh, and she also has some curls. And her second outfit's very beautiful. See the shoes right there, the jacket, the skirt, and her bustier top. And I think it's going to be very beautiful because she's my favorite character. And I'm so excited because I always wanted this doll in my life.
This is Luna Madison, Sunny's evil twin sister. She has purple eyes, a little bit of glitter on her lips, and she has a shiny dress. I really like it, and with some gloves. Those are her wraparound high heels, and I really like them. And she has little curls on her hair, just like Sunny. And she has some purple eyes and cute little buns. And she has a pretty gloves on. And I really like her second outfit. It's so pretty. It has a dress and a jacket and some pretty high heels. And they're black and white.
Grayson, and she's a makeup focus. She also has a jacket, and she also has something with say Shadow Life. And she also has the earring with say Shadow, couple of bones, if you can see it right there. She has stuff in her hair. She has beautiful makeup on. She also has like a snake print dress. And the other side also has it's half black, half white, and a little bit of gray in the black, what makes it very unique. She also has a choker and has SH, which stands for Shadow High. And she also has pretty boots. In the sides, it has some snakes. Her second outfit is super beautiful with the mini bustier top with some pants. Anyway, back to her. She has glitter in her lipstick. In the side, she also has snakes. And her shoes are white.
This is Nicole Seal. She is one of my favorite dolls because I have a best friend named Nicole. Right there in her jacket says Ain't Sparkle, and there's a word say Shadow. Right there are her shorts, some long socks, some sneakers, and this is her second outfit with her comb, her shoes, and her jacket and shirt. And let's see what else around her. Oh, I see some pigtails. And she has tiny curls. And she has brown eyes. Let's see. She has a little bit of blush. And in the side, her earrings say Shadow. And this sleeve says 2022. And let's see what else. And let's see. She has all of them in their second outfits. They look so pretty, right, Kelly?
Yeah, they look super gorgeous. And well, this is the end of today's video. We will see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye, fans. Don't forget to stay in touch with our videos.
And make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching our videos.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Goodbye.
Bye.